Good day, everyone. My name is Ain't Zen. I am here to give you all some tips in Wizard that I recently doing in the Ragnarok. Alright, let's start in prioritizing your points stat. Always prioritize INT, Dex, and Blue Cape. Intelligence can increases magic attack power and reduces casting time for magic-based classes. Dexterity increases attack speed and reduces cast time. Luck increases critical hit chance and affects some character resistances. Let's proceed in upgrading and equipment check. Use time each day to improve your equipment either by refining, enchanting, or upgrading items. If you've accumulated Zini, check the market for new gears or materials to enhance your gear. Collecting cards for stat bonuses. In many versions of Ragnarok Online, such as mobile adaptations like Ragnarok Eternal Love or Ragnarok X, collecting specific cards or completing card sets. Alright, that's it for today. Thanks so much for tuning in. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already.